Okay, so you're right. That is correct. Okay, so let's see our leaderboard. And on the leaderboard, I cannot find a place to put this out of the way. Let me put it at the top. Sorry, guys. Okay, there.
First through third is tied.
Okay, so.
Oh my God.
We got a three-way tie with Graham, Judy, and Boss Jayla. Okay,
This is difficult, man. And first through fifth is within 3 points of each other. First through fifth is
within 3-point range. Okay, here we go. Number 2.
Solve the equation.
No, mine froze.
Ooh.
109, 108, 107.
Yay.
All right, Betty, tell us why the correct answer here should be 17.
Because, like, out of all the answers, like, it makes the most sense. Because, like, also, if you do just 12 plus 5, you would get 17.
Because it's really about adding 5 to both sides to make this isolate the variable, right? Not on the seesaw. And that'd be 5 over here added to 17. You're right. Okay. Let's see where we are now. Creek is in the lead. Eddie, you're up 3 places. You were the highest climber to this round.
Yay!
All right.
I got it correct.
Next, number 3.
Is this like going to just like steep? Is it? I'm worried that there's going to be like 12. Like it's going to get super intense all of a sudden.
Okay, so we had several people say 27. And could someone tell me why that person said that? Why would somebody think 27? Because you were thinking 27 minus 9 is 18?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
But it should be what plus 9 is 18, and that would be
9.
Yeah. All right. Leaderboard this time.
Creeps.
All right, Creeps.
Oh, I'm just
Graham, Melis in third. Permita, who's named Bob, and Betty.
That's surprising.
Here we go. Next.
Solve the equation. I'm feeling confident in my answer. I probably shouldn't have slowed down.
All right. So the correct answer, some people said 6. Let's look why they might have said that 6. All right. If you said 6, you were doing 6 times 3, right? It's got to be 54 divided by 3 to get to 18. Who would walk us through how you actually would do that to solve it? Because you already solved it with mental math, but how would you literally solve the equation?
I will, Mr. P.
Thank you.
So you divide both sides by 3, which eliminates the 3 on the side with the y, and divides 18 by 3, which is 6. Wait, oh, I'm doing the wrong.
You want to multiply both sides.
Yes, multiply both sides. Oh my God.
Yeah, I multiply both sides by 3. That takes care of isolating the y, and then 3 times 18 is your 54.
Yeah.
Right? Correct. Check our leaderboard out this time. And we got followed by Melis, by Graham, by Bob, and Betty.
I slowed down just too much.
Gotten chillier out here. Okay. Number 5.
Solve the equation.
No, I picked the wrong one again. No. Really?
For like the first second, it's like for the first second, it's just like it's pondering silence, and then you hear the stuff going in.
Yeah.
You hear all the.
No. Why do I accidentally pick stuff by accident? No.
You're never supposed to pick bread, okay?
I just ate bread. What are you talking
about? He said red.
Oh,
Who has it?
Oh wow, you got it right.
I accidentally picked blue.
Don't pick red, Betty.
I didn't. I picked blue.
Right.
I told you don't pick red.
We said 47. So 47 minus 19 would be 28. So to isolate the variable, I would add 19 to both sides. Why both sides? Because it keeps a balance. That would also isolate the variable. And then I would say 28 with the 19, and that becomes the 47. All right, let's check our leaderboard. Okay, Creeps followed by Graham, Ellis, Bob, and Michaela. Michaela, Graham, you have a 5-streak answer, 5 correct answer streak. Michaela, you're up now. And Graham, you're up now.
James,
Came up from last
17.
All right, here we go.
Put my thumb at the right one.
In this situation, you might want to pick red.
My stomach told me what the right one was. Yay!
And we got 9 on that one. So could somebody tell us how to do this one?
Oh my gosh.
83 minus 17. I mean 17 minus 8. Okay, I'm confused.
Take
Okay, just do
17
83 at the top, 17 at the bottom. Whatever, something like
So
that.
I would take 17, Betty, on both sides away. So that
Yes.
becomes X, and that becomes 50.
I need it.
66.
Sorry, 66. No, 65. 66.
66.
66.
Yes, 66.
I just-
Yes, 66.
I just did order whatever it's called, where you take out each of them because the rest of them were just higher than 83.
Exactly.
Process of elimination per meter.
That, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Look, couldn't be these because they're more than 83 to start with. So good.
That's
You didn't
4.88.
you didn't even have to do the math there because you could eliminate the rest. All right, so let's see
Read the
here.
wrong sign. I saw
Three.
a minus sign instead of a
Ellen,
plus sign.
Bob, Graham, and Miss Anna. So 3 players have a answer streak of 3, and Mellis, Bob, and Miss Anna all came up from last question.
Who's Creeps?
Don't know
Oh, I
James.
Okay.
who that is.
Oh, Creeps. Okay, I get it. Never mind.
Okay, here we go.
Yay! Creeps is really smart.
And we got everybody on that one correct because it would be 25 times 5 is 125. Now, just so you know, the way to undo this would be divide both sides by 5. Why would I divide? Because that's 5 times. So undo times with divide. So it'd be A then equals 125 divided by 5, right? Now,
The way I
hey,
figured it out was
here's the thing that's important about these guys. Remember, it's about knowing that you understand how to do it, because you can look at that and mental math it, but you can't do that when there's a lot of other numbers involved. They're going to be much more complex. It's about isolating the variable on one side, doing the same to both sides with undo operations, right? Alrighty. Let's see where we are.
wow, Creeps.
Mellis, you're on a 7 correct answer streak.
7's the magic.
Go.
No. Okay, here it is. I'm not messing this up. 9, 10.
Oh, that was.
Yeah,
So
I knew I got that wrong.
Now we got a mixed message here. Let's see. Who could talk us through this one?
I will, Mr. K.
Thank you, sir.
So, could I please see the answers?
Yes.
So it's m divided by 14 equals 28. So here, 14 divided by 14 equals 1, which is not possible. 2 divided by 14 is not, what was the answer, 28. And 42 divided by 2 is not quite 28. So therefore it has to be the only thing divided by 14 that could come close to it.
Because the others wouldn't be close to the right answer, right?
Yeah.
But also, so he realized this has got to be a big number to say divided by 14 to get to 28. But the undo of this would be to multiply
by 14.
multiply by 14. That would get rid of this. And then 14 times 28 would be that 392.
Yes.
Yep. All right. Here we go.
Yuppers.
New leaderboard.
Good job, Judy.
Judy, highest climber. All right. Here we go again.
About this one.
Ten answers. It's 10 answers.
There's one person who hasn't answered yet.
Oh.
Creep says the answer is red.
Oh, Michaela's iPad just froze.
Sorry.
Ooh. It's never good when the iPad freezes. Michaela, are you still? So you're still able to hear us?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So the iPad just froze.
It's the Kahoot. It froze.
Is there a way to
Try
refresh
reloading it.
without getting logged out of the game?
Happy Earth Day, people.
Oh, today's Earth Day?
Yep.
Yeah.
God, I answered that so fast and I still didn't. I'm going to help backpedaling.
Hang on just a second. Okay, so I was having to answer Miss Borsma. Okay, so let's see here. The media on this. We know that first number is going to be bigger than 15, right? It's got to be less because it's got to be added with a 5, obviously. But again, not relying on mental math. Let's remember the process. I would say subtract 5, and I got my 10. Yep. All right, let's check our board out. Okay, Miss Anna, you just rose, and Creeps is on a 9 correct answer streak. You know what Creeps is. All right, here's the next one.
Michaela, is your iPad frozen? I'm just asking, is it still freezing?
They used I in the wrong connotation.
Mine's frozen now.
Must be like a bug or something.
Next one.
Alrighty, let's see here. We've got, so when you see that, what do you think about your I automatically when you see that?
It's like an X, a variable.
It's a variable, but about what it should be. That it needs to be a bigger number, right? Could
Yes.
someone tell me why I know I've got to look for a bigger number on there?
because 6 is smaller than 18 and it has a minus sign to it.
Whatever the number is, it's got to be big enough that I can take 6 away to 18, right?
Yeah.
And on the list, 2 of them were less than 18, so they were automatically out. But again, undo would be add 6, and that's where you get your 24, right? Yep. All right, leaderboard. Judy, answer streak of 6. Wherever Judy is. Okay, Creep still in the lead. Bob, you're in second. Miss Anna and Graham both rose, and Melis is in 5th. All right.
Gong.
J, okay, would be 14. And yep, because it's got to be times 9. All right, and the leaderboard. Judy's in 5th, rose up a little bit. Boss, you made 3 in a row. Miss Anna, you're in 3rd, Graham in 4th, and Permita, you're in 2nd.
Judy is on the rise. Attention.
On the rise.
Attention, attention.
Attention, Kmart shoppers. Judy is on the rise. All right, 578. Hey, Josie, will you walk us through this? Why is that 578?
Because
Are you there, Josie? Where'd you go? Okay.
Because you have to multiply, where is it? You have to multiply 34, I can't see. Oh, you have to multiply 34, yeah, to get the
17.
answer.
But why am I multiplying 34 by 17 though?
Because it's the inverse operation of division.
Yep, because to get rid of that divide 17, I need to multiply 17, right? To make the isolated variable. There went Jalen, her sister. Across the room. All right, that was funny. All right, leaderboard. Creeps still in the lead. Creeps, you have the highest answer streak. You got a fire beside, a blaze beside you. Answer streak. 12. Bob, Anna, Graham, and Judy. Judy. All right, here we go.
Oh, Judy. Oh, God.
Judy. That's from the Andy Griffith Show, I
think. That's fun.
Mike Rose. Mr. P, Mike Rose.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you come back in?
I'm trying to. Okay, it says reconnected. Okay, here it goes. It works.
Good.
The music gets more and more intense as we go.
Boom, everybody. So everybody got that right. Let Angelo in over here. You there, Brains? Okay, so we got 10 minutes left. Okay, so we got to say 9 times 9. So again, undo would be divide by 9 on both sides, which gets you 9 when you divide it into 81. Yep. Okay, here's the leaderboard. Miss Anna, you are in 2nd. Bob, you are on the answer streak of 3. Permita Creep still up at the top.
Bob.
I've got to hurry because we're going to run out of time again. All right. And again, we would multiply by 4. And that's where we get that big 320 because 80 times 4 is 320. Yep. Okay. Let's see where we are. Judy, Graham, Bob, Miss Anna, and Creeps. Creeps, you have an answer creek of 14. Is that all of them? Yeah.
That's all of them.
Creeps has gotten them all right. So remember, that number's got to be bigger than all the numbers there, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because I add 12 to both sides.
If there's 11 answers, then
Angelo joined.
oh.
Yeah, Angelo added in.
Mr. P, your feed froze for me.
Yeah, I don't know what I hit. Let me see what to do.
It says press escape to exit full screen. So
that's what I did.
oh.
So let me see here. Sorry, guys. It's that little thing that moves the desktop away, but I can't.
Oh, the pop-ups.
Okay, what is, you know, when you can move your screen off?
Yeah.
You go back.
Do go with
Back. Let me think. Hang on. That's not it. Let me try a couple things here. Where would it be? Oh, let me do this. There.
Yay.
Nice.
Okay, so here we are. Okay, so on the leaderboard, we got Judy, we got Bob, Graham, Miss Anna, and Creeps, and it says that 5 people have a 3 streak. All right, here we go. Number 16. That's some chill music. Everybody got it. You got it. That was easy. So again, you would subtract 19, and that's 5. And by the way, does it Creeps, all of them? Does it matter if the variable is on the left or the right of the minus sign like it was there? Does that make a difference?
doesn't matter.
Yes.
Yes, it would make a difference in how you would solve it. About making it a negative or a positive. You'll learn about that in 7th grade too. Like here, if the G were the other way around, it'd be a different thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Because remember, it's about, that's not commutative, right? Okay, so we had a couple people pick 4 here. I was thinking I could click on that and see something about it, but I guess not. All right. So again, it does matter because this has got to be the larger thing to get this to here. So this has got to be a 60, whereas if it was over here, that'd be a different story, right? You get a different answer. That's what I was meaning by that. Okay, yeah. All right, so we got Betty. You're up. Bob, Graham, Miss Anna, and Creeps. Is anybody going to catch Creeps?
No.
Late. It's getting late in the game. I don't think it's going to happen. Creeps is going to just float along. Wonder who Creeps is.
Creeps is the creeper.
Is that you?
Yeah, it's me.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Oh.
And it's the creeper that.
Okay, James. I thought you were Judy this whole time.
Oh.
I wasn't bringing it up. No. Okay.
No, I would only be in first place.
Oh, is that right? Gotcha.
Yeah.
Gotcha. So who is Creeps? I mean, we know who Creeps is. So who is Judy?
It's your wife.
Parsons.
Mrs. Parsons.
Okay. As James would say, do y'all think if Dr. Parsons was Judy, she'd be not in the lead?
Yes.
She is an algebra teacher after all.
She was in the lead yesterday though.
And
so.
then she got the last wrong and got beat.
So who is Judy?
Who is
She was
Judy?
not happy about losing that last question.
Mm.
And
Who
she
is-
pointed out that technically it could have been solved 2 ways, and she picked the other way, and so I changed the question for next time. Because she read it a different way, and I looked at it like, no, you could read it that way. It was not written well. I didn't write it, but I fixed it so it wouldn't be mistaken next time. Because she was saying it was take the 2 away after the other part versus before the other part on the variable, on translating the expression, but whatever. Okay. So 18 for Creeps. All right, here we go. Number 19.
What?
So it changed. Write the equation. You need the equation that says Alyssa has 21 DVDs and that's 7 fewer than Henry.
So the X represents how many Henry has?
Yes. Yes. That is correct.
The one time I actually don't like staring in the face of a DVD.
Boom. It was this one. Okay, so let's talk
Oh,
about
right,
why.
right.
Okay, so look at the blue one. Here's why it's right. Okay, so 21 is the CD she has, right? DVDs. And she has 7 less than who we don't know, which is Henry, right? So Henry, take away 7 is the 21 that Alyssa has. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
We were all split across the board on that one. So yeah.
Yeah, we really were.
Yeah, we couldn't have been more split on that one. All right, Creeps is gonna be, let's see, it's gonna be second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, last question. Jan, 17 in her piggy bank. What's a game that costs $38?
You want small one? No.
I really hope I got this right. Like, for real. That would be
Yeah.
that.
Ooh, this.
There are multiple ways to see this thing right here. You can write in subtraction or addition. Okay, right.
All right, so let's look at why gold, okay? So she has $17. She needs more money. We don't know how much, but she needs it to equal $38, right, for the game? So she has 17 plus an amount that she needs to get to 38. So that was the right one. Okay, so let's see how we end the game.
Yay.
Third
Yay.
goes to Graham. Second goes to Miss Anna, yesterday's winner.
Creeps.
And first goes to our. All right, runners up. My name is Bob.